Hello, kittens. Hey, sleepyheads. I figured coming in here when they're all really sleepy, can barely hold their eyes open, they may fall asleep on me. One can only hope. Hi, Eddie. Boy, look at you. You've come so far. Used to be shy, and now he's looking up at me without any fear. Ooh, Jarvis is purring. That's it, boy. Keep it going. Don't be afraid of the hand. Hi, Edster. Would Eddie like a belly rub? Sleepy kittens are more relaxed and less likely to feel afraid. Let's see if Holly will purr again. Hi, Eddie. Look at you. How about the belly rubs? No belly rubs? Okay, how about the regular pittings? Look at that. He's needing. Yep, you're going to be another Grant. I know you got a purr in you, Jarvis. I heard it. You can't hide it from me now. Same with you, Holly. They're, they tend to start becoming really sweet after a neuter spay, and definitely become sweeter after they're separated from the mom, and they seek a human to bond with. They will be gone tomorrow from approximately 7:45 to 5:30 Pacific Standard Time, which is GMT -8. They're getting their neuters tomorrow and Mama spayed. If you're interested in adopting one of these kittens, look underneath the video feed for a post on instructions how to do so. Friday at noon is the deadline, and at which time everyone who has been chosen and their alternates will be contacted. The adoption event is this Saturday, starting at 10 a.m., which is earlier than previous times. So if you want to come check out the kittens, adopt or not, we have the Everett PetSmart at 10 a.m. Adopters are asked to let the kitten stay for a little while, at least a half hour after the adoption, to let viewers get to see them. That's right, Jarvis. Just chill on my legs, fall asleep. That's quite the dive there, Eddie. Hey, he's being all nice and quiet and peaceful. Why can't you be all nice and quiet and peaceful? He says, because I'm a kitten. Jarvis is getting those droopy eyes. Jarvis is kind of just propped up on my leg like it's, sup? A little better that time, Eddie. Jarvis, your claws are sharp. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. There. There you go. Balance on the ground, not on my leg or feet. You can tie my shoes if you want. You may not be able to see him, but Holly's just off to the left there, bathing, washing his leg. I don't know where your mice are, Eddie. Gotta push that box over this way so they can see you being cute as you go underneath it. Got litter on your paws. There. Now go after them. Glados is in the lower tower, purring a little heart out. It's a nice day out. Shame I'm too sick to go out. Got some sort of throat strep or something. Feeling a lot better today, though. I can yawn without pain and swallow with only minor discomfort, which was an entirely different story yesterday. Eddie's over there eating. For those interested in adopting, these kittens are free fed, which means the food is just out and they eat whenever they want. Typically, if it's not causing weight issues, free feeding is fine. Most cats will only eat when they actually need to eat, so it's not a problem. Oh, okay, that hurt a little. Okay, if you guys don't want to take a nap on my legs, I'll take a nap with you on my legs. I'm going to try something new with the next litter. Make this play area a little bit bigger. Because right now, the cam is probably positioned in the middle of the window here, but you can only see a small part of it. I'm going to move the cam farther back, and you may not be able to see more over to the left. you'll see a larger play area with the kitten, and for the kittens to have a larger play area, you'll probably see more in the window too. Have the fence going straight towards the window instead of at an angle on the view line of a camera. Most things happening over there is litter box, food, and water, so and most action will be over here with the towers and the toys. I want to fish for eddies. Ah, seems like cut a holly. Shame he's too small. I have to throw him back. Jarvis is the heaviest of the lot right now. See how chicken fish is holding up. A little bit of fuzz. For those who remember the transpalter, it's going to have to be retired after this batch. It has basically it's a round ring, two of them about that far apart with three poles supporting the top, and the top has a netting, kind of like a little bow. That they tore out that bow on one side. That's where all this came from. They've been unwinding it from it. The glue that was used doesn't seem to be particularly strong. If you're going to climb up my chest, use this shirt. Oh, you guys need another trim. which you'll get tomorrow. Unhook those hind claws, please. Tickle your toes. You keep playing on there, Hal. You're going to fall through one day. I think I'm going to put some lengths of this rope in their adoption packets, which will help them acclimate to their new home if they're nervous or scared. Because nothing makes a kitten forget that they're nervous or scared than a favorite toy. Which is also why Eddie's going to take home some of those blue mice, and Mama gets to take home some of those black mice. She's like, no, there's hooligans out there. One of my cats are outside, or a couple of my cats are out there wrestling, and they're my biggest cats. So just imagine how much noise these guys make. They're like 2 pounds, 2 to 3 pounds. Now imagine 12 to 18 pounds out there wrestling. They're sliding up against the door. It's likely Socks and Dorian. Okay, guys, back off. You're scaring the kittens. Yep, it was Socks and Dorian. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.